Alright guys, so today I got an old computer here, and as you can see, cables everywhere. So today I'm going to be rebuilding this. It's a Asda. It has a 700 watt power supply. I'm pretty sure 8 gigabytes of HyperX RAM. And pop it out. Graphics card. It's a WindForce. Not sure. Think it's a 750. But we have some Kingston DDR3 RAM. Don't know how much of it, but we have it. Yeah. So let's get done building.
And we're building back up again now. Say your heart, say your mind, say all you hide. I won't let you go, can't let this fly. When you lose yourself, I'll be right beside you. I'll be right beside you. Alright, so I'm just going out here a little bit. So we have to now got to watch that. You are there. Of course. Set it that side. That's really nice here. Cái gì vậy? Có gì vậy? Cái gì cái đâu được đó. Đấy. Đấy tiếp tục rồi. Nhà này rồi. Đã chỉ vào trong đó. Đây sẽ xong rồi. Đây là bóc đấy. À rồi. Bắt đầu rồi. Bây giờ làm đây. Cái này thì đây là gì rồi? Đây là cái sao đấy rồi. Cái gì nghe cái kia. Đây là gì? Yeah, we got it built this much so far. Looking pretty good. Now we're to the back side, and I'm trying to make this all look a bit better.
Is this the final build? Not too ugly looking, honestly. It's kind of a blue theme-ish. But, let's go boot it up on an old monitor and let's see the specs. Because I don't know any of the specs at all. Alright guys, we got a boot. Let's see what's coming up on this screen here. Reboot and select proper boot device. Okay, so I guess let's go get a boot device. Alright guys, there's the computer. I have finally found out what's in it. So, like I figured, 8 gigabytes of RAM. I know it was an AMD CPU, and I know it was a WindForce card. So, I just got a copy of Windows for it. And let's look here on GeForce Experience, and let's see what we have. As you guys can see, here's the specs. Don't worry about the monitor. It's just an old monitor. You got a 560 and a AMD X410, a quad core, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and we're on Windows 8.1. So, not too terrible. This PC is actually just for running H1Z1 here. That's all it's really going to be used for. But well, I'm going to get the benchmarks here in a minute. So yeah. To 900. And then the memory doesn't really have much of an overclock. Okay, so 1080 full screen. Let's run this benchmark. A pretty low score compared to what I've been getting. So yeah, that's our score. Average 15. I actually got average 16.7 and a score of 420 the other day. I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so I figured this would be the quietest room because I was going to do it in the bathroom that is completely closed, but the AC is running, so it's kind of loud. So we're just going to boot this up and let you guys hear it. And I forgot to mention that there's a new Cooler Master fan for the exhaust, because it didn't have an exhaust previously. So now we have an intake and two intakes, one from the top, one from the front, and then an exhaust in the back. And the one in the front is above the ramp. So I'll be quiet and let you guys listen to it. Alright guys, so as you can tell it's a little bit louder, but the person I'm building it for I'm sure won't really care. because they're gonna get better temps now. So yeah, this is probably the last update on Blue Nova, unless I upgrade it anytime, because I think we're gonna put in a few months a 1060 and whatever the best FM3 CPU is for about 100 in it. 150 in it. So yeah. That's it on Blue Nova, and I'll see you guys later.